our very own oysters and mussels. And we're gonna clean them up, we're gonna cook them up, and we're gonna eat them. So we're gonna teach you exactly how to do that. We already got the photos we're gonna show you before this video, so make sure to pay attention because you're gonna use a hammer, you're gonna use this guy, crowbar, and an oyster shucker. Where's the oyster shucker at? There you go, thanks. An oyster shucker. This is to check while you're out there, like you saw in the photos, to see if they're any good. This is to break them up apart. That is also to break them up apart. And then we're going to show you once we cook them, how good they taste and how to open them up to actually eat them. You ready? All right, so the first thing we're going to do is separate the mussels from the oysters because the mussels I like to cook. It takes about 10 to 15 minutes, a little butter and garlic, and I'm eating them. But the oysters you can eat raw. You throw them on a cracker with some hot sauce and some lemon, and they're just as good.
Well, there we go. Wow, we got some good ones.